guys, welcome to Smashing 101, and today we're going to be smashing this vacuum.
Now, there's something to say about this vacuum.
It sucks, but it doesn't suck. Meaning, well, it does not suck up dust or anything like that, so it sucks. Well, if you know what I'm using, we call it the Thor hammer. And it's right there. We found something that we could destroy. It doesn't suck.
It doesn't work.
Well, that sucks.
Well, that sucks.
I gotta run down and...
Right.
Alright, my hit.
Nope. 3 hits. In the same spots that I did. Okay, in the same spots that I did. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hold on, let's see how much damage we did.
We should try to plug it in. It looks like it's smoking.
Three.
Okay. Right. Oh! Oh, ah! Something came back and hit me. Oh, the other wheel. Yeah, I forgot to say I was missing the wheel. But we're not done with it yet.
Look how much damage we did.
Well, he did.
That's the parts left over.
Now, I know this isn't going to do much.
2, 3, 4.
Let me... This doesn't count. It's just... Another stem! Didn't think it was going to break that easily. We should try it now, see if it turns on.
You want to?
You can do it.
Let's do it.
Alright, so let Brayden do it.
Alright, let's try to turn it on. Where's...
An extension cord.
Oh, we're going to get an extension cord to turn it on. Oh. Alright, here's the cord. It's still left over.
Yeah. Wait just a second. Get the hose ready. Just in case.
Here's the... Well, I'm going to have to go get the hose ready. So, I'm going to go up the stairs, get the hose, because we don't know what it's going to do, because it's broken, and, you know, I hit the fuse box. So, I have to turn on the water. Water on. Okay. Now I'm going to sit here and wait until he is ready. Wait!
You're the one who's plugging it in. Remember, Brayden? You're the one who's plugging it in. Wait till I say so, okay?
Alright, the camera's right there.
You're the one who's plugging it in.
Yeah.
Wait, no.
Brayden Page, is gonna plug this vacuum cleaner in and turn it on.
And I already pressed the switch.
Ay, ay, ay.
Alright, but the extension cord's way back. Let's see what it does. Got the hose up already. Oh my, it still works! Wait, okay, don't do anything. Don't plug it in. Don't plug it in. Keep it unplugged. Okay, no, put them down. Now don't touch them. Smash it a little bit more. I can't believe it still works.
It still works.
Three hits with me, and then let's see if it works.
Still work. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go see if it works.
Come on.
Okay, here's.
I don't even work. No, Brayden.
Hold on, let me pull it.
Camera. No, not closer, not closer. No, okay. Wait. Okay. Brayden.
Alright, right there, right there.
No, you have to pull it back now. Pull the extension going all the way back. Let's see what it does.
No. Or is it plugged in inside?
Let me see. Yes? Wait. Is it? Wait! No! Monty, don't do that!
It works.
Let's say plug, unplug it, and then dry it. Now go and plug it in.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. It still works!
Okay, unplug it.
Now you see that hammer. No, take the camera away.
That's it. Okay. Oh, it still works. Not for long, hopefully. Okay, time to plug it back in again. And if it doesn't turn on, unplug the cord. Click.
1, 2, 3. Wait.
No, unplug it first. Now push the lever. Okay, is the camera? Okay, guys, off camera.
So I'm sorry about his mom coming out. She doesn't want us blowing the circuit breaker. All right, hit it. 3, 4, okay, 8, 7, 8, 9.
Oh,
Hey.
yeah, revealed the end. We revealed the motor.
All right, now it's my turn.
Yeah. Why don't we smash the bottom side? Well, it won't turn on. My turn. No, my turn. We're not finished with this thing yet. You see that?
Wait, let's.
Yeah. That's what Brayden did.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, my turn.
Trying to detach it.
Here you go.
Trying to detach the motor. Well, LOL.
That's the motor.
Okay, now place it down. No, don't. Keep going. Okay, let's stop dealing with the motor. Now it's my turn. You may want to move back.
It's right by my feet. Ow. Here's the motor. I kind of messed it up. And,
Okay, let's see if we can mess this thing up.
all right, he's talking about the bucket.
Move back.
It cracked first hit. Second hit, it flew towards me. Third hit, ow! Fourth hit, ow! Fifth hit,
It's not even hitting you the third or fourth time.
I know. Whoa, whoa. Ow. Something flew. Alright, my turn.
Wait. Okay. We're having too much fun.
Fun's not an answer. It's joyness.
Okay. Wow! Well, here's one of the ouch! Lots of things flew towards me. I think that's the switch. Yikes. Thank you, you did my job. I wonder if it'll
I
still.
think it's in pieces.
Yeah, I wonder if it'll still vacuum.
Alright, that's it for today's video.
Not
at
yet.
this moment, right?
No,
Oh.
we gotta smash a little more.
Yeah, destroy.
Okay, that's my turn.
Here.
Here's the camera.
Miss.
Fail.
Not necessarily.
You know what? Well, this thing's pretty much destroyed, but we have to finish it. Won't you say?
Yeah.
Finish it.
Wait, let me reveal these pieces.
I'm gonna smash right here.
You may want to look over here.
Wait,
Going from there
I don't
to
think
here.
that will make it work.
2 feet.
This is something that won't make it work anymore.
Going into the ground.
and no damage.
Let me see this.
My turn. One more thing.
Alright, hit. That was a hit. Alright, here we go. Take over the drum.
Wait! Gotta do it on the board. There we- Oh, it bented it! It bent! Okay, now remember, Brain, we have to clean up.
It's not gonna do.
Okay, now the motor. Gotta beat up the motor some more. Go! Go!
I think that's it.
Oh! I should have recorded that! Went right between your legs. No, it's not over yet. Gotta smash the motor some more. Make sure it's in pieces. Let me see it. Let me see the sledgehammer. I'll show you how to hit it.
Get that away from me.
Ow! Did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's done.
I think that's done too.
Okay.
It's all in pieces.
Okay, let me see the camera.
That is it for
not
Smashing 101.
We're not
Vacuum
selling yet.
cleaner.
We gotta clean up, remember? This is gonna be on camera. Okay, now it's over. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, if you have comments, I'll try and check on. And check out Braden Page's channel as well. He'll soon be uploading better videos. Hey, see you guys next time.